You are going to love the 2019 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front disc rear drum brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.